Hey guys, it's Maymay and welcome to another Stamp Club reveal. This one is for the month of June and this is our original club. Now I'm super excited because this stamp set features or is an ode to my baby puppy named Presley. Now my baby is 3 years old, but still we call her the baby because she's the newest one. But Presley is a weenie dog, and wait till you see this one. Now if you don't know, we had another stamp set called Trixie's Valentine, and that was for our very first weenie dog. That was in honor of her. This one is for Presley. Now, if you'd like to pick up the stamp set and you're not a member of the Stamp Club, you certainly can do that. We have them in the store for you. And if you're a club member, they're already on the way to you. Are you ready? It's so cute. This one is called Positively Presley. I got to get you to look at this face. Look at this face. This really does remind me of Presley. She has the sweetest little face. But this section of the body ends here. So you can use this portion and this portion separately, and then you have a middle piece so you can really make this guy long, or you can wrap it around a card. There's so many different things you can do with it. And for the sentiments, they're a little mixed up over here. So what I would encourage you to do is go out to the product page and look at Sylvia's sample sheet she does for you so you can make sense of everything. But for example, if we look right here, how about it's been too long? How about sending you a long distance hug? How about happy birthday, my friend? There's so many different ways you can mix it up. So cute. But let me show you the samples because they're adorable. Miss Opal, Miss Geneva have been at it. You ready for this one? Look how cute this is. So this is a, I guess like a half fold card. Like you just fold the front back and then watch what she did. You see the doggy here, but when you open it up, he stretches all the way out. Isn't that adorable? So it says, wishing you a happy birthday. So cute. And then, look at this guy, sending you a long distance hug. Now watch, you see the puppy here? And he wraps around on the inside. So cute. I love that one. And then this guy is an easel card that has a piece of ribbon at the top. So you take that ribbon off, and then you stand this up, and I'll show you. We'll reveal the puppy dog. The puppy is here. And he's standing in the grass. Look at that. It's been too long. How cute is that? I love it so much. Then you could probably just add your ribbon back for cutesy right across here. That would be a cute idea. There we go. We just have our little ribbon back on there. So that is our card samples for this set. I will be using this one too because I cannot wait to play with it. It's so funny how whenever we design it, I see something different than what even Miss Geneva and Miss Opal bring. So I'm going to be doing that for you real soon. I so love this set. Be sure to pick yours up while we've got these. And if you are a member of the club or not, if you purchased our last stamp set and you made a project with it and posted a picture of it on our customer gallery, you were entered to win a $50 gift card. So be sure to check below and see if you are the lucky winner. If you get one of these stamp sets and you make a project and take a photo of it, load it to our customer gallery, and you'll be entered for next $50 gift card. Thanks so much for being a part of our club. And until next time, bye now.